Is there any way to disable my stolen AirPods remotely?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll discuss an important topic. Is there any way to disable your stolen AirPods remotely? Losing your AirPods can be a frustrating experience, but fortunately, there are measures you can take to protect your personal information and render your stolen AirPods useless to unauthorized users. So let's dive in and explore your options.
Find my iPhone.
One of the most effective ways to disable your stolen AirPods remotely is by utilizing the Find My iPhone feature. This feature is designed to help you locate and secure your Apple devices, including AirPods. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open the Find My app on another Apple device, such as your iPhone or iPad. 2. Sign in with your Apple ID credentials. 3. Select your AirPods from the list of devices associated with your Apple ID. 4. If your AirPods are online, you'll see their last known location on a map. You can use this information to potentially recover them. 5. If recovery is not possible or you suspect they have been stolen, tap on the Actions button. 6. From the options that appear, choose Mark as Lost. 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter relevant information, such as a contact number and a message for the person who finds them. 8. Finally, tap on Activate to enable the Lost mode. By activating the Lost mode, your AirPods will be disabled, and their functionality will be limited. This prevents unauthorized individuals from pairing them with their own devices or using them effectively.
Apple support.
If you're unable to locate or disable your stolen AirPods using the Find My iPhone feature, you can always reach out to Apple support for further assistance. They have dedicated teams that can guide you through the process and provide additional options to help protect your personal information. To contact Apple support, you can 1. Visit the Apple support website and initiate a live chat session or schedule a call. 2. Call Apple support directly and explain your situation to the customer service representative. 3. Visit an Apple store near you and speak with a representative in person. Remember to provide them with all the relevant details regarding your stolen AirPods so they can assist you effectively. In conclusion, while having your AirPods stolen can be distressing, there are steps you can take to disable them remotely and protect your personal information. Utilizing the Find My iPhone feature through the Find My app is the primary method to mark your AirPods as lost and render them unusable for unauthorized users. Additionally, reaching out to Apple support can provide you with further guidance and assistance. Stay proactive and safeguard your devices. If you have any questions or need additional support, don't hesitate to contact the Apple support team. Remember, prevention is key, so always be mindful of your belongings and take appropriate measures to protect them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.